5 days, and then we're gonna head to Copenhagen, Denmark for another few days. Yay!
Sweden so far?
It's beautiful. Everything is just so like calm and quiet. People are so nice. Okay, ready? It's probably has makeup on it because of my makeup, but it's like SPF 35.
I consider this abuse.
Your ears. Turn around.
It smells good. You can see the sweat coming off of his forehead.
His pores.
He's nervous. This straight eye contact is making him nervous. Yeah, this is disturbingly realistic. Get face to face with him?
No.
What's up? How realistic the hair looks.
Johan was a man of higher rank, and he led a hard life.
He was bougie.
But he had a worn out hip and crushed foot, so...
No way.
That's wild.
Imagine people filming your body 500 years later.
Oh my god.
With technology that didn't even exist yet.
That's wild. They don't have much of the skull, must have been bashed.
We're a team, let's keep this ship afloat.
Okay, let's go on the other side. Wait, I stopped.
Whoa. It's like we're in the ship.
So they would like, look, these are the handles where they would like push around, move around the cannons. It's so cool.
Walking randomly around Stockholm and we found this amazing overlook. Tomorrow we're going to Denmark. Last full day in Sweden. Beautiful country, beautiful city. It's a lot prettier here than we thought. I knew Gamla Stan would be nice, but I didn't think the rest of the city would be this beautiful too.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it was your idea to come up here. Hey, 2 days in Copenhagen.
Let's go.
Copenhagen!
Yeah, tilt, angle yourself a little more, no, a little more this way. Yeah. Because I'm gonna get this. The other hand. I don't even know if I got that. There you go. Yeah. Back pain. The primicia. Birthday photo. Yeah. Oh my god. I love every time you make that face, that hurts.
Just having a relaxing day in Copenhagen. We're gonna take a boat ride. A boat ride through Nyhavn. I think that's how you pronounce it.
I don't know.
At least for English speakers.
Hi there.
We got Nash. We haven't done an introduction. We got Nash. We got Michelle.
Hey boys.
We've got Andrea. And we've got me, the star of the show.
Actually, he lived in the red house, number 20, on your left hand. Thanks for your attention. Please stay seated on your seats until the boat stands still before you get up on the shore and the ropes are on.
Tivoli, I don't know how to say it. Tivoli Gardens, and it is an amusement park / garden here in Stockholm. Wait,
we're in Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. They close at 10. We didn't get the pass to do the rides, but we just came to look around, see the garden, and
look at the lights.
Enjoy the lights. Yeah.
Here we go. This would make me throw up.
After all that food, oh my god.
I'm about to share with the whole carnival.
Jesus. That's bigger than your head. Use that as your pillow tonight.
Accepted to lastly be like waiting for you to slip it. Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, like this literally gonna tumble over. It looks like a massive like maggot.
Here, take it. Look at this.
I have a little bit, yeah. Oh no.
Here.
Oh, it's such a satisfying feeling. I just got a footage to blackmail you for eternity. Oh my god.